Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that class, we are just gonna learning really something special. So in that class, we are just gonna learning about this spot healing brush tool. So in that class, we are just gonna learn something fun about spot healing brush tools, and this is the black and white image. So if you have any kind of image, your old types image, how you impress your family, so your grandma, so if they have black and white photos, so you can turn into it a color photos in just an easy way and is easy tools. So today we are just gonna learn it, so let's do that. So very first, this is the photos. We have to unlock this layer. Okay, we just unlock it, and don't forget what I teach in before class. So in that class, we are going to repeat what I teach before. So in that class, we are just going to use the perspective crop tools. Remember these tools? This is the perspective crop tools. Okay, so very first we have to select it just like this to this. Okay, so now press the enter. Now it's boom. It's a give you a great shape in your photo. So this is really cool. So again, there's use the crop tool for perfect sizing. So now it's a perfect size. Now you can use these tools that's known as spot healing brush tools. Actually, if you have any kind of spot in your images, so like if you have any pimples in your face, so you want to remove it, so you want to any kind of black mark, you want to just remove the spot healing brush tool will be really helping like that. For example, so you see in here we have some spot, just let me zoom in here some spot. When I just click, and it will be automatically removed. So this is really special tools. When you see this is the tool, and let's remove all the spot in here. Just very simple. In here, just use select this spot healing brush tools, and then just click. Any kind of spot you are in your photos, you just can just click. It will be automatically removed. Okay. So for example, so you see in here, we have some spot in our face in like this in here. So you just click it, it will be automatically gone. It will be automatically gone like this. So in here has some pimples mark, just click it, it will be automatically gone. It's just vanish. So like that, you can remove any kind of black mark in your face or pimples in your face. This is really easy and really effective. So in here, we're just gonna use this spot healing brush tools. So let's remove one by one. Okay, so I think it's almost done, but in here we have many tools like healing brush tools, but we are not taking this in that class. So we are okay with spot healing brush tools in that class. So in that class, I just not want to be make so much bigger. So let's happy with spot healing brush tools. Okay, so then when it will be done, then you have to go this make it black and white color. So just when you make it a black and white. Okay, so done. So just save it. Okay, so we are complete. How we do that? We just make it just simple images for any images to turn into this. But now our game is start, so we have to go access my heritage, this website. This is the website my heritage in here. So when we just myheritage.com, when you just go in here, you see in that when you have to log in here, and then you can go just use the photos. When just go to the photos and the colorize photos. So when you just click the colorize photos, just we have to go just upload your photos, whatever you make. I just make this old photo. I just click it and just give some time for make it colorful. So okay, boom, your work is done. So it's complete, and you see that. So now you can compare your images like this to that images. So isn't beautiful? Is that class is really helpful? And let's download the photos. You just colorize photos and time for the Impress family. So show your grandma how you just color it. So if you think that's really worth your time, so what are you waiting for? Just subscribe and support our expert. And thank you so much for your love and respect. And I wish that class is really smooth class and really helpful class. Thank you so much.